Hey folks, this is Jason Good with the Good Life Outdoors out here at Mustang Island State Park here on a Saturday morning doing a beach cleanup. So Hurricane Hanna hit and there's a lot of stuff on the beach that has washed up. And so I'm out here working with Hanna's helpers and beach keepers, and also with my cousin who runs the Corpus Christi Trash Mob. And so we're out here trying to clean up this beach, get some of the plastic and just junk that's washed up on the beach. A whole bunch of people out here. It's really good to see all these folks helping around. So we're gonna do a little cleanup out here. Just want to make y'all aware that you know, getting outside doesn't mean just going out and doing the fun stuff like fishing and hunting. It's also helping out and making the world a little better place. So hope you join along with us, and it'll be a good day out here making this this beach a little cleaner. So stick around. All right, so I'm out here with Lee and Susie with Beachkeeper. They are the ones who put this event on, and I'd love for them to tell you a little bit about what they do and how you may be able to help on future events. So I'm going to turn it over to them.
Hi, I'm Lee.
I'm Susie.
We're with Beachkeepers. Beachkeepers was formed out of a need for us to clean the beach at North Fish Pass jetties. It's just my family and I. We quickly realized that we're going to need a lot of help.
So very bad. Very
bad. So we formed Beachkeepers, and about 3 years ago, is now a
2017.
Now a 501c3 nonprofit corporation. We have a Facebook presence of about 1,000 members. You can find us on Facebook on Beachkeepers. What we're doing out here today is cleaning the Mustang Island State Park. So ever since COVID has came to town, we have gotten killed as far as the beachkeeping because of the social distancing measures. So this was really the first event that we tried to instill COVID
friendly.
Right,
make
yeah,
sure
COVID
that everybody
compliant,
keeps their social
friendly.
distance.
Right.
And that way everybody can still get out there and be involved in something,
Yep.
but yet they don't have, you know, the COVID. You just do your mask, you do your gloves, you do whatever, and it's still, you're still out there to be able to get out there and do something for the community.
You know, the beach trash hasn't stopped. The litter's still rolling in from 4 Gulf states and sometimes Mexico. So it's important to get out here and keep it clean. I mean, even if you don't come to an organized event, we encourage our members to just grab, you know, if you're going to an outdoor venue, a park, a beach, you know, take one bag with you and pack it out with you.
Well, there you have it. It's great meeting you guys, and thank you for putting this on. It's so needed all over the place, and it's great to have folks who are putting something together officially for people to help out. So I'll put all their information down in the description below. Go check them out, volunteer, get out here, help clean it up, and make things better for everybody else. Well, we got a lot of trash picked up today. It's a good group of people out here. We were one group of 3 up and down this beach, and yeah, we got almost 2 trucks full of trash and old lumber and everything that's washed out on the beach. So it's a pretty good haul. I'm curious to see what they got once we get everything up to the front. So we'll go see what that looks like right now. Yeah, if you have the chance to get out and help out, even if it's just bring in a trash bag to your typical fishing spot and pick it up around there, anything helps. So get out there and help as you can, make the world nicer for yourself and for everybody else, and keep the outdoors nice. If you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification button so you know when I post new videos. I appreciate each and every one of you following along. Y'all get out there and live the good life. Thanks a lot.